Is your company still managing purchases and relationships through Excel, emails, and phone calls? We know how frustrating and exhausting that can be. Let me introduce you to the solution, Center Global Solutions CGS. With CGS, you can automate everything and make better decisions without relying on anyone else. Start by completing the registration and onboarding of your profile. Centralize your purchases and find the best offer with CGS. It's not mandatory to fill out everything, but the more details you provide in the smart onboarding, the more value you'll get. Also, define your company's activity, what it buys, products, services, or professionals, and likewise, what your company offers. If you're looking to buy at a better price or with better options, create procurement projects. You can choose from several options: supplier search, regular purchases, request for quotations, sealed bid auctions, and reverse auctions. You can also invite your suppliers and have them compete to give you their best proposal. Make clear decisions with automatic comparisons. CGS compares them for you automatically, so you can easily choose in one place among the received proposals or quotations. You can also use the private chat to negotiate or clarify doubts. Once you choose the best option, you can award the project and move on to the tracking phase, with actions you can configure based on your needs. Besides making better purchases and saving money, with CGS, you can also offer your products and services and reach thousands of potential clients. Create projects to offer products, services, or professionals, and define the areas where you offer them and under what conditions. The more detailed the project, the better your connections will be. Your team, your rules. You can create and manage your users on the platform. Your team can collaborate based on their roles: purchasing, sales, logistics, or services. Set permissions and user roles according to their function. Expand your business. Present opportunities or find key partners. By creating strategic projects, you can form strategic alliances with other users or companies, buy or sell franchises and businesses, invest or receive investments, and create tenders, all with settings designed for each type of proposal. Automate the security of your operations, payments, and deliveries. In CGS, you can create tracking for awarded projects and have clear, organized traceability all in one place. Using the app, you can move through each stage of the process and use QR codes to confirm deliveries or steps. There's also the option to assign verifiers within the tracking process to control loads or product quality. You can even create smart contracts within the platform to secure payments and transactions. We've simplified their setup to make them dynamic and easy to configure in just a few clicks. Create projects and invite participants. Your contacts don't need to be registered. CGS still works. Create a project, invite users by email, and manage everything in one place. Explore, connect, and grow. Explore other companies, profiles, and strategic projects in your sector. This feature is growing and has a lot of potential. Use the advanced search engine with specific filters to find profiles and projects that match your interests. You'll also find the Matches section, showing all your automatic connections based on your created projects, acquisition, offering, or strategic, as well as matches based on the interests you've defined in your profile. This is a unique connection feature that will grow as CGS expands worldwide. Features designed for your growth and expansion. Purchases and sales under the same account, tracking awarded projects, smart contract creation, proposal comparisons, professional profile comparisons, sealed bid and reverse auctions, requests for quotation, tenders, investments, strategic alliances, automatic matches, and the Smart Explorer. One platform, multiple solutions. Start for free today. Register now and become part of the CGS community.